January 8, 2020, we're here at the future Walkley Station for the Trillium Line South Extension, opening in 2022. So this is the future site of the Walkley Station, looking north now towards Mooney's Bay Station, and farther on you can see Carlton due to the sighting of Dunton Tower on the campus. Now we're looking south towards Greenboro Station, which is the current terminus. And right here is where the Walkley O-Train station is going to be located. Incidentally, the existing Transitway Station, Walkley, is right next to us right here. It's not directly connected to the future O-Train station, which is kind of interesting based on the configuration here, but it's to get from the station entrance, it's going to be here to the bus station over there. It's like 1-2 minute walk, if even that, from entrance to entrance. It's not the end of the world. It would have been nice to have seen to connect them, but so far it doesn't appear as though they're going to be connected. As we can see right now, one of the existing Alstom, Coredia, Lint Trillium Line trains is going to be coming through. It's going to be passing through the station here, or I should say future station, opening in 2022. And what's interesting to note about this station is that there's actually passing tracks pretty much where the train is right now, somewhere up there, to allow the frequency of service and capacity of service that on this section of the line. The station here is only going to be a single platform, single track, as opposed to Gladstone, which is going to be a double track, 2 platform station. Now, there has been a bit of concern that this could limit increasing the service frequency further from the 12 minutes and making that even less time, approaching maybe 8 or 10 minutes. But it seems like this is what the plan is currently, is to remain with single track here. So it's hard to say exactly how that's going to affect frequency or future improvements in that regard. So looking at the station here, it's going to be a single entrance. The entrance is going to be on the Walkley overpass here. It's not a big overpass, mind you, but it's an overpass nonetheless, crossing over the rail line. There'll be a platform on the side. There'll be an exit up here, and it should be fairly simple station design. Mind you, it's going to have elevator and stairs to get down to the platform level. And taking another quick look over at the bus service over here, the existing Walkley Transitway Station. You can see just right over here the main entrance, and then some buses can loop out from the Transitway and come up onto Walkley from there. So for those transferring to local bus service, it's not going to be too bad. You can just come out and probably just rejoin out over here. The other side of the Walkley Station's on the opposite side, southbound over here, and that's pretty much it. Again, not much has happened here right now, or I should correct that and say nothing has happened at this point, as this is still an active rail line until the line gets shut down in May. There's not much work that can be done here at this point.